Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm this is not another it is another video, but here's how you make hand sanitizer. Not sanitizer, hand wash. So all you need is a lime. So you squeeze the desired amount onto your hand. Just so you got it on your hand. Put the lime aside. Now wash your hands. Count to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so when you wash your hands, all you need is a sink, okay? Wait, need another camera angle. 3, 2, 1. Okay, so now I've got it facing the sink, so you can see. Okay, I've got it on my hands. Chuck it in some water and count to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now when you smell your hands, it will smell great. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and please comment. Tell me if this life hack actually is good. Well, I just did a quick Google search and it said you can wash your hands with it, so I actually thought it was quite nice for you to, for me to share it to you. Hey, thanks for watching. Have a good night, evening or afternoon. Bye.